Good morning everyone, I hope you're well. Here we are with today's maths lesson. Today is Thursday. Let's move on straight away and we'll start our counting. Here we go. We're going to count from 0 to 30. Join in with me and then we'll play a game of tennis. Here we are then. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Well done. Let's have a go at playing tennis, but this time I'm not going to start. I want you to start today. So what number do you need to start with? That's right, we start with 0, don't we? So you're going to start with 0, and then I'll say 1, and then you can say 2. Let's try it that way today, shall we? Okay, off you go. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29. Okay, how was it that time? I hope you did well. Let's move on. Here we are. We're going to go through some bits that we've done before, but I want you to show me five fingers. Next one, can you show me 4 fingers? Here's 4 fingers. Remember, that's the easiest way, isn't it? Can you show me 4 in a different way? You might do it. You could put a different finger down, couldn't you? Or you might do it with your middle finger. If you're really, really clever, you might have a go at doing it on 2 hands, and you might do 2 like that. Can you show me another way? You could do it like that, couldn't you? All right, you could do, it's tricky sometimes. There we are. You could do it like that. Or if you really wanted to, you might go 3 on one hand and 1 on the other. All right. Okay, now, next one. I'd like you to show me 2 fingers. Can you show me 2? Here we are. That's how I've done it on the board. You can show me 2 like that. Show me it in another way. I bet some of you have done it like that. Show me another way. You can do it like that. Show me another way. You can do it like that. There are lots of different ways, aren't there? Okay, here we are. I'd like to know how many coins I've put in the bucket. So, while I'm doing this, can you close your eyes and see if you can count how many coins go in my bucket? You've got to listen very, very carefully for the sounds. Here we go. Are your eyes closed? You're not peeking, I hope. Keep them shut and count in your head, or you could count them out loud. Here we go. Open your eyes. How many did you hear? That's right, there were 3. There were 3 coins dropped in my bucket. Right, next one, here we go. Keep your eyes closed. No peeking. Someone's peeking, I can tell. Right, keep your eyes shut. Here we go. Open your eyes. How many did you hear that time? There were 5. 5 coins dropped in my bucket. Okay, last one, here you go. Keep those eyes shut now. Who's peeking? Someone's having a little sneaky peek. Stop it. Here we go. How many did you hear? It was just one, wasn't it, that time? Okay. Right, we're going to have a go at doing this again. And it says, what is one more? So have a really good think about this. We've got the Numicon 4. What is one more? Here we are. One more there, and it looks like the number 5. Here we go. And just to check, we can put the 5 on top. Here we are. What's the number here? It's the 3, isn't it? And one more than 3 is 4. Here we are, just to check. Right, and another one. What's this one? It's the number 2. And one more than 2 is 3. Let's check. There we go, the number 3. Okay, how many in this 5 frame? See if you can do this really quick. There are 3 in this one. Try this one. How many here? This one's easy. There are 5. 5 in this 5 frame because it's completely full. Try this one. How many? There are 2. And remember, this one is a really easy one because we can subitize that, can't we? Okay. Can you show me 4 fingers? Just like on the video here. Show me 4 like that. Now, we're going to check just by counting. Are you ready? Here we go. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can do that yourself. You can go 1, 2, 3, 4. But some of you might know straight away that to do 4, you can fold 1 finger down. Okay, so we've got 4 there. Now, can you show me 3? Now in this one here, look, they're doing it like that. I find it really, really tricky, so I'm going to do it this way. All right, but we're going to check by counting again. Here we are. 1, 2, 3. And you can do that as well. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Right. I'd like you to show me, or if you've got a grown-up there, can you show me more than 2 fingers? So that's 2, but I don't want to see 2. I want to see more than 2. Can you do that for me? Okay, I'm going to show you some answers that you might have got. You might have had that many. 3. You might have had this many. 4. You might have had 5. Okay, and if you had your other hand, you might have done all of them. Okay, now, can you show me less or fewer than 3 fingers? So I don't want to see 3 fingers up. I want to see less or fewer. So fewer than 3. Here's the answers. You might have shown me 0 fingers. They could be 0, they could be none. You might have shown me 1 finger because that's less or fewer than 3. You might have shown me 2 fingers. That is less or fewer, isn't it? Now, can you show me more than 4 fingers? So just on one hand, show me more than 4 fingers. It's just that, isn't it? More than 4 is 5. That's all the fingers on one hand. Now then, can you show me less or fewer than 4 fingers? So remember, we've had 4, but I want to see less, fewer than 4. You could show me 3. You might show me 2. You could show me 1. You might have shown me 0. Okay, here's your next one. Can you show me more than 2 fingers? More than 2 fingers. So there's 2. To show me more, you might have done 3. You might have done 4. You might have done 5. So 3, 4 and 5 are more than 2. And last one, can you show me less or fewer than 2 fingers? So less or fewer. So I've asked for 2. But less or fewer, you might have 1, or you might have 0. So less or fewer means the number will be smaller, doesn't it? Okay, thank you very much for joining me today. Hopefully you were able to join in too with your fingers. If you want, you can have another go, all right? But if not, I will see you for your next maths lesson very, very soon. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.